This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Home sweet home. Native walls, reliable roof, cozy furniture. But no matter how much we love our dwelling, sometimes it needs a makeover.
Hey, you broke my garage door.
It's Elsa, today's guest of Lightning Repair with Sam.
Hello everyone.
Tell us, how did you decide to take such a serious step as altering your home? For example, how do you feel about having renewed walls?
Well, we could probably add more blue.
No guesswork about color. Everything is clear. We need more pink.
How? Why pink? I don't get it.
Do you want to know what will come out of it? Stay tuned.
Hi all. Oh, I can't believe it's been 2 whole years since we've made this craft. Oh, so many wonderful memories. So much comfort and warmth.
Ladies, what's with all the misery? A craft day like this should be cheerful. Today we're doing the house and it's gonna be fun.
Yes. Cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha-cha. We'll start from the very base, the floor and walls. But first, let's empty the rooms.
Oh, oopsie, my apologies. Before emptying the bathroom, you need to turn up the water, or there will be a splash.
We can't do without the flood. Thanks, Plumber Sam.
I'm on it.
Will I not have a bathroom in my new house anymore?
Oh, for this throne, I'm even willing to pay.
Hey, Sam!
What?
We still need a toilet seat. Let's keep all the old furniture items in one place. For example, here. And whoosh! We're gonna use all of this, only a little bit later. Well, the house is empty now, which means that it's time
It's time to get rid of the old decor. Railings in the snowy blue style are no longer in fashion. Bam, 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 bam.
Alright, we'll definitely change them. Let's carefully take it out. The staircase, by the way, will also be restored.
Oh, how can I get down?
Come on, Sammy, hop on. I'll fly you away.
Oh, wow, take me down. That's enough. I'd rather help you from here, Susie. I feel safer.
As you say, then help me here.
It's easier than building. Ow! Oopsie, Susie, I think I broke something. I'm so sorry. I'll fix it.
Don't. This is exactly what we needed to do next. Getting rid of the old textures.
I did that better. Ow! Oh, you missed the spot.
Oh, be gone, smarty pants. I'm not finished yet.
Hey, be nicer to the slime.
In a case like this, I have a solvent hidden away. Let's rub a little. It worked! It's best to ask an adult for help with this though. And in the same way, we're getting rid of all the unnecessary decor pieces, like this.
Oh my god, that is so loud. Elsa, stop it! I can't bear it anymore!
Castle, and now I'm literally without a roof over my head.
Susie, we gotta do something, or we'll drown here soon!
Then it's good that we're already moving on to the next stage. Don't go anywhere.
That's it. Hey, I didn't have time to show it to our viewers!
Don't worry, Sammy. I'll show it myself. Oh, such a beauty. And this wall perfectly matches the new floor. Just a couple of light movements, and the first floor begins to emerge.
You bet! Lightning Repair with Sam is the best show. By the way, it's time for another TV interview. Tell me, what exactly are you doing right now?
Sammy, you're bothering me. Less talking, more working to finish faster.
But on TV, the presenter is constantly interviewing. A few words? Wait! Elsa!
You can change the concept and become the world's first presenter slime, who does everything himself in the frame. We'll appreciate it.
The first in the world, you say? Well, of course! Step aside, Susan! I'm gonna do it myself!
Wow, now that's the speed, and I really like the new design.
Then I think the new roof will impress you even more!
Oh, well, alright, minimalism also looks good.
Just flip the piece, Susan!
Oh, really? Oh, check out this mesmerizing tile! And what a great combination of colors! thumbs up to Builder Sam.
What, Builder? I'm a great decorator. I'm an artist.
Go paint the stairs.
Okay. We'll see. Monsieur Magnifique will turn any steps to a work of art. There you go. Almost a diamond staircase for a true queen.
Oh, I see you decorated yourself too with precious stones, Maestro. By the way, I also did something. Look how the railing turned out.
Looks like now the theme of pink is fully revealed.
Not really. We also need to install an updated door to the balcony. It's easy. Whoosh! And the railings, of course. It seems that we're done with the construction and repair part. Sammy?
Wait. What about the garage? There was a door here.
But now there will be something else. I'll reveal this secret in a couple of seconds.
Enough! Sue, what are you doing here? It's time to arrange the furniture.
Whoa, gotcha.
What? Why is it empty? Someone stole all the furniture!
The suspects have been arrested. Surely it was them.
No, we didn't do anything.
Release us, release!
No panic. Cops won't find any loss. Well, what is this? Interesting. Lieutenant Susan, help me with these rags.
Would you let me speak? I took all the furniture.
And you didn't warn me? How dishonest of you!
No, it's very creative of me. Check this out. And now Elsa's legs won't freeze on a cold tile.
What are you talking about, Susan? She ran barefoot in the snow.
Oh, Sammy, don't you know that life isn't always like it's in the movies? Unlike our bathroom, which turned out just fabulous.
So nothing will happen if I do this? What? A refrigerator? Come on!
Your magic worked, just not quite right. If you hadn't been in a hurry, it would have been perfect, like mine.
Oh yeah? Well, now I'll show you. She will teach me. I know that for myself. A little bit more.
Take it easy, Sammy.
I won't stop halfway. I never give up. Oh, that's not easy at all.
I just came up with something. And get together. Great. This cute low table will now be sitting on the balcony.
Sue, Elsa's hinting that she's tired of waiting. Tick-tock, you know.
Great idea. I'm sure Elsa wouldn't mind having her own clock, so she will never be late.
You didn't get it. It's time to go to bed, but we don't have a bedroom.
So furnish it. I have only 2 hands, you know.
Sammy do this, Sammy do that. No rest for me. So this will be here, and this, well, it should be here. And a chest of drawers. A chest of drawers right here. Gifts. I'll keep for myself. Well, I'm done. What do you say, Sue? Cool, right?
But you furnished the nursery. What about the bedroom for Elsa?
I'm tired. I should take a nap to recharge.
Sammy, you overslept New Year's Eve.
What? Are you serious? So I missed it all?
No, but we're almost done with our craft. We only need to add a festive atmosphere. Hop, and that's it. Well, let's call the lady of the house, shall we?
So, Elsa, are you ready to see your new dream home?
Of course.
Elsa, where are you?
This way it'll be more comfortable. Let's race. So let's see. Oh, how wonderful it is here. And the kitchen is so well placed. Oh, I'm so hungry.
Why don't we see what we have in here? Oh, Elsa, this is the pie for you.
Oh, thank you, but let's cool it down. The most needed room in every house. There's so much pink in here. Oh, what a soft little rug, but let's keep going. A staircase worthy of a snow queen. Wow, I should check out the second floor. Oh, amazing.
Sue, I think Elsa likes our makeover, and it was my idea.
It'll be so cozy here in the evenings to admire the stars. Hop, hop. Oh, what a delight. The smell's just divine.
It remains to see the bedrooms. Let me help you.
Oh, I wish I had a nursery like this when I was little. Am I going to sleep here? Wow, it's so soft and cozy.
And all the beautiful royal outfits will fit in here. Sammy, you were right. The pink house suits Elsa no less than the blue one.
I like everything so much. Thank you, Sue and Sam.
We should also thank our viewers for being with us today. Watch our new videos on the channel.
And don't forget about thumbs ups. Hey, don't go anywhere just yet, people.
Ziggy! You try. Now the other way.
Triangle. Now try the other side.
Kite! You do it too!
Look, everyone! Lola's beautiful glowstone. Very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Lola's favourite beautiful thing. Deli would like favourite beautiful thing too. But what?
Think about Knock Knock has favourite beautiful thing too. Back soon.
Would Deli like glowstone as favourite beautiful thing? Oh, thank you, Lolo. Lolo's so kind. Hello.
Look, Knock Knock's favourite beautiful thing. Orange leaf.
Very beautiful.
Do Jojo have beautiful thing too? Deli not have favourite thing. Deli have Knock Knock's favourite leaf.
Oh, thank you, Knock Knock. Knock Knock very kind. Deli like glowstone and leaf, but not sure which favourite beautiful thing.
Look, Deli, you Jojo's favourite beautiful thing, Little Bell. You Jojo think this most beautiful thing in whole of Nara.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful sound too. Listen.
Oh, beautiful sound, Yo Jojo.
Deli have Bella's favourite beautiful thing.
Oh, thank you, Yo Jojo. Which Deli's favourite beautiful thing? Glowstone, leaf, or bell? Deli like all. But which Deli's favourite? Chibi's. Maybe Chibi's help Deli choose. Let's play Pika.
Chibi's coming!
Pretty flowers.
Knock Knock hide here.
Lala, hide over there. Lala, hide here. Deli find good hiding place.
Hey, Jojo, hide! Knock Knock help Chibi's.
Shh, I can hear something. Oh no, Chibi's find Knock Knock. Think about.
What's that sound?
Sounds make Pika fun.
Over there. Your Jojo makes sound too.
I think this way. Hey, over here.
Found you!
Found you, Knock Knock.
It's Dollhouse! Found you!
Look, Chibi's. Glowstone Lala's favourite beautiful thing. Oh, that's lovely.
It's so beautiful.
Knock Knock's favourite orange leaf.
That's beautiful too.
Little Belle, your Jojo's favourite. All three are beautiful.
What's your favourite beautiful thing, Deli? Deli still not know.
There are lots of beautiful things in Nara. We'll find you more beautiful things.
Then you can choose your favourite. Oh no, Chibi's. Chibi's very kind. But Deli not need more favourite beautiful things.
Look, this is my favourite beautiful thing.
Very beautiful.
This is our favourite thing.
I love the way it shines.
Star, very beautiful.
What Chibi like? Twinkle is my favourite beautiful thing. Twinkle is very beautiful. Let's show Deli. Your Jojo, fetch!
Ooh.
Ah, look at them. I like that one.
Have you chosen your favourite, Deli? Deli can't choose one favourite beautiful thing.
I've got an idea. Choose them all as your favourite.
How?
We can make them into one big beautiful thing.
Good think about, Chibi. Thank you. Time for Yogo. Make big beautiful thing after Yogo. Come on. Star twinkles. Oh.
Ziggy, you try.
Triangle. You try. Now try the other side.
Kite!
We'll find more. Come on. Thank you, Chibi's. That's beautiful. Very beautiful star.
And here are your Jojo's twinklers.
Petals beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. This Deli's favourite beautiful thing. Thank you, Piplings. Thank you, Chibi's. So beautiful.